Hello everyone, my name is Stacy and I am currently in my first year of field. I just started in August. I was supposed to have started in May, but due to some circumstances beyond my control, my field was delayed until August. So this is going to be my I'm going into my ninth week in field, and I am completing my practicum at a social services organization that provides services to the autistic and developmentally disabled population. We the agency provides services such as community hab, respite, and day habitation services to these individuals. However, the caseload that I currently have, those individuals are receiving community hab and in-home respite. We currently work with these individuals on certain goals and also their activities of daily living skills, such as learning how to function independently, to do certain tasks on their own. For example, teaching them how to socialize and to interact with people and for example, their families and their peers, learning how to interact with people in the community, learning how to be more involved and how to function within the community. So we basically teach them community inclusion skills. Um, what prompts me to choose medical social work is that I have always had special interest in hospital social work. I have worked in the healthcare system for over 19 years, and I have always wanted to become a hospital social worker. I believe that by doing this course, it will help me to gain as much knowledge as I can about healthcare case management, and it will also prepare me to work with every population because based on what I've researched and learned so far about hospital social workers is that they work basically with every population. And since my long-term goal is to become a clinical social worker, I also think that medical social work would be a good course to start with. I look forward to learning from everyone, and I am looking forward to our weekly discussions and interactions with my peers, and also getting feedbacks, vice versa, from both my peers and my professor. I wish everyone the best, and I'm looking forward to a great 7 weeks and an interesting and informative time in the course. Thank you so much.